Mac DeMarco. Mac DeMarco. We got two right here coming on. I like all my records, but I have the most vivid memories from making this one. The definitive edition of Mac's breakout sophomore release. Double vinyl collection, including both 2 and 2 demos, and an 8-page booklet with new liner notes written by Mac. This is the 10th anniversary edition, chat. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get this open now. Okay. Alright, we got it open. Now let's look at him. All his glory. Mac D right here. And then here's the booklet. See? It's not able to take out. But it's like...
See? There it is. The booklet, guys. Oh my gosh.
This is beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm gonna have to censor out the other part too. This is beautiful. Swilly Dan. And then that's it. Well, I'm gonna get it out now. And I'm gonna play both the 2 demos and 2. If I can even get it out. Like, actually, hold on.
Okay, guys. Let's get it. Hold on. Now here's the demos, y'all. Ooh. Alright, demos. Get a little up there. Yeah, by the way, I know this isn't the first song on side A. This is the last song on side D, but it's a really good song. So, yeah. Oh, that's how it ends on this? Usually just cuts off at that part. It'll be like, out on her windowsill. The baby remember. Anyways, that's the 10th anniversary edition vinyl unboxing. Yep. See.